Hello, my name is Mike Sanders, and today I'm going to be going over offers and coupons and how that works inside of our platform and why that's important. So, offers and coupons are similar to posts and events in that they are creating content to put it out onto the various social platforms. This is important because in any sort of SEO environment, you have two things that you're doing. You have your engagement, which is what content are you pushing out? Are you responding to reviews? Are you putting out posts? Are you putting out events? Are you putting out information and all sorts of questions and answers and stuff out into the platforms? The more you do this, the higher you're going to rank in any platform. Then on the back side of that, you have your reputation. What are people saying about you? How are they interacting with you, with your company on the platform? You can't control how they're interacting, but the more that content and the more stuff you're doing to push out, the more of an engagement you have, the better your reputation is coming back to you. It is a circle that feeds on it. Offers and coupons are an example of this. So this works. You can see all your offers. We don't have any in this particular example, but you can search for them here. You type in whatever text you want to type in. Sasquatch, whatever you feel like doing. You can sort it from oldest to newest or newest to oldest, which ones are published, scheduled, or draft. So to create an offer, we come up here. Now we can add a photo or we can choose one from your gallery. From the gallery, these are ones that you've already used. From adding a photo, this is one of your own. Now when you do that, you get a cropping tool right here. So you can mess with it if you want. So you want to make it smaller. Crop the image. There you go. You write a title. Let's say growing your business in 2023. Do it. And then you can put in a coupon code, a link to redeem, free booyah. You can put in a link for your terms and services. You pick a date for it to be. So we'll say the 20th. And then we'll do the 24th here. And we'll set it to the AM. So you've got those two dates. And you pick which one of these you want to post it to. Now, on the three platforms that you see here, Google actually supports an offer, whereas Facebook and Twitter, they don't have specific offers. What they'll be doing is creating a post with all of this content in it. So you can publish it out, and that's it. Now, we can save this as a draft. We can schedule this for later to be released later, or you can publish it now. If we save it as a draft, it comes right here. You can see draft, saved in draft. We edit. Now we can schedule this. So we want this schedule to go out tomorrow. Now it is scheduled to go out tomorrow at 6:28 p.m. And that's pretty much all you've got to do. And that is offers and coupons. So you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later.